A shower caddy is the unsung hero of a clean and organized bathroom. Instead of leaving all of your toiletries on the tub ledges, consolidate them into an organizer to keep things easily accessible and prevent soap buildup. This one small accessory can simplify your daily routine and your weekly chore list. So in this video we will discuss 5 best bathroom shower caddy. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Simplehuman Adjustable and Extendable Shower Caddy. The most adjustable and versatile on the market today, Simplehuman's Shower Caddy is our top pick because we think it's the best option for most people. We especially love that it can accommodate tall and oversized products. You can slide the shelves up, down, and side to side until you can make room for that family-sized bottle of conditioner. The caddy is also thoughtfully designed with hooks and dividers that securely hold accessories like your razor and loofah. There's even a dedicated dish to hold bar soap. Constructed from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, the Simplehuman shower organizer is sturdy and rust-proof. It comes in 4 different options: an over-the-door or hanging option, for over-the-showerhead, that comes in medium, large, and extra-large sizes. If you have a handheld showerhead, you'll want to opt for the extra-large option, which leaves enough space in the middle of the unit for the hose. Though this shower caddy is on the pricier side, you'll get upgraded functionality and high durability matched by very few other brands. Number 2. Zenna Home 2 Shelves Over-the-Showerhead Caddy. If you need something more budget-friendly, consider this over-the-showerhead caddy from Zenna Home. Thoughtful details like a true non-slip collar, storage hooks, and an angled soap dish set this caddy apart from the rest in its class. The suction cups provide added support, and don't budge even when the caddy is loaded with heavier products. Many of the more affordable models fail to prevent slippage, forcing you to buy extra materials to support the inexpensive caddy that was supposed to save you dollars. We also appreciate how the deep neck allows the shelf to accommodate taller bottles up to about 8.25 inches high. Made of powder-coated alloy steel, this organizer resists rust to save you from frequently scrubbing the red stains left by some other models. Just note that there is a major difference between rust-resistant and rust-proof, so this model will still require the occasional light maintenance. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-Tier Aluminum Shower Caddy. At the end of the day, the primary thing you want from a hanging shower caddy is durability, which includes stability and rust-proofing. This is where the OXO Good Grips Aluminum 3-Tier Shower Caddy delivers. A grippy rubberized hook and robust wall-clinging suction cups ensure that the caddy doesn't slip or roam, and for such a sturdy unit, it's surprisingly effortless to install and remove. Plus, its anodized aluminum frame won't rust. 3 tiers consisting of 2 large capacity baskets, along with a generous soap dish, provide plenty of room for all your household toiletries, even for people with a robust skincare routine. This caddy also has a razor holder to keep it away from anything that might gunk up the blades and a removable soap dish that makes cleanup a breeze, putting an end to the chore of dutifully scrubbing an awkwardly shaped basket. Number 4. New England Story Store Corner Shower Caddy. Corner caddies are a great alternative to hanging baskets and tension rods, especially if you've got a weak shower head or a sloped ceiling. These adhesive shelves from New England Stories are incredibly easy to install, and despite being suspended by stickers, they can support an impressive 35 pounds each. The set comes with 2 shelves in slightly different sizes, and even though they're pretty spacious, they create a clean minimalist look by eliminating the need for a tub-to-ceiling rod. Each caddy contains 4 discrete hooks for hanging loofahs and sponges to drip dry. Once you install these corner shelves, you'll have to wait at least 12 hours for the peel and stick adhesive to dry before placing your products on them. Another thing to keep in mind is that the shelves only work in corners that are at 90-degree angles, so they won't stay put on curved surfaces. Number 5. LiviNGPAi Shower Caddy Bathroom Organizer. The biggest potential downside when it comes to wall-mounted caddies is stability, but these shower caddies from LiviNGPAi have an adhesive that seriously sticks. It's so strong that once the shelves are up, you might have a hard time getting them back down. The good news is that if you do have to remove them, they don't leave sticky residue behind. Each caddy consists of a spacious basket that's lined with hooks so you can hang washcloths and other accessories to dry. The adhesive caddies also boast a surprisingly generous weight capacity of 40 pounds each, so this 3-pack of shower organizers could hold 120 pounds of product altogether. Constructed from stainless steel, these wall-mounted caddies will resist rust in most environments. The wire baskets easily pop out of the plastic supports, which makes regular cleaning super easy. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.